So we're gonna install this pot light, and first thing you want to do is get all your stuff ready, and second thing is locate a place to jump from, and then in this case it's gonna be this pot light here. So I'm gonna do the connection in this light, and then the pot light is going over in the shower. It's a waterproof light, so first thing to do is to turn the power off and open up the pot light opening. So now the light's off, I'm gonna drop the pot light. They have two clips holding it up and a driver box going up in the ceiling. So we're gonna have to pull the driver box out, and the connection will be done inside here. So we're gonna open the box, just checking which room's in it. So as you can see, there's another knockout. That's so you can do a jump. So the idea is to fish from this hole and to make a new hole over here. So now it's time to center, find center in the shower, and then I'm gonna make a mark, and then I'm gonna tape on this template. So we're gonna measure this first, and then I'm sticking this on and then marking it out. And you always want to cover up your faucets, and especially if they're got a finish on them, because when you're doing your cutout for that pot light or whatever, it can scratch when you clean it. So always cover that up first. Just prep the area. So now I'm going to cut the hole with the hole saw. Cut on the outside of the line. So ball's cut, and the idea is to fish wire from there to here. Looks like there's a cavity there I can jump from. So I already pre-cut the wire. It's right here, and I'm gonna start the fish.